Hi, okay, so here we are in this part of the world. It's winter. As you can see, we got some snow. I got my trusty tape measure out. I'm just going to show you. We've got about 10 inches of snow. Perfect time to try out the tractor or the International 350 utility with the snowblower. So let's go inside. We'll do a quick recap what we've done on the tractor. Check the oil, check the gas, start it up, and let's start blowing some snow. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly check the oil. This is the dipstick here. Check the oil before we start, and it's perfect. As you can see, it's right here in between the low and the full, exactly where I want it to be. So we're in the other bay of my garage. So most of the time you saw the work that was done on the tractor on the garage side. This is sort of like the storage side. So this is where I keep the tractor when I'm not using it. If I had to fill the oil, I would just unscrew this cap up here, and I would just put in the oil right in here. I've already done an oil change on the tractor, so the oil is fresh. I poured a can of seafoam fuel conditioner inside, so that might, help loosen up the fuel system or clean up the fuel system. So we'll go over to the other side of the tractor. I put a brand new muffler on it. It's a muffler designed for this series, this make and model of tractor. You may recall from the previous videos, I had a cracked intake and exhaust manifold. So I found a good used one in the classified ads, and I installed that. The carburetor, it's been cleaned. I ran it through my ultrasonic cleaner, so that did a really good job cleaning that up. And over here on the back side is the snowblower. It's basically I believe it's a 6-foot snowblower. It's run by a PTO shaft. It's Canadian made. I welded an extension pipe right in here. Originally the handle was down here, and if you're sitting up there behind the wheel, it wasn't ergonomic to try to get out turning the chute. So I just welded in an extension cord or an extension arm, and now you can see the chute operates and turns. It's very low tech. I mean, newer tractors now use like a hydraulic ram to turn the chute back and forth, but this tractor here has limited hydraulics, so I had to opt with a manual style. But you know what? It does the job. So I've greased all the grease points on the tractor and on the snowblower. So I'm just gonna fire it up, get it warmed up. We'll back out of the garage, and we'll start blowing some snow. So stay tuned.